Tammy Carroll.
How are you feeling right at the moment, right before your big makeover?
I am scared to death. I am not one to like to get my hair cut because I've got very kinky, wavy hair and I just don't know what to do with it. And it's thick, so it's hard to manage and control. I don't like hair on my face. I don't like hair on my neck. Something that is easy to take care of and that flatters me. I feel pretty, oh so pretty, witty and gay.
Okay, I think that's acceptable.
Okay, leave it up to my BFF to do something like this. I should have had my teeth whitened. At one time, my husband said, don't get your hair cut short. But now that I'm 60, it's time.
Need a glamorous cigarette.
I do. But I have one at home.
You have
I do. I actually have one. I don't use it. It's an antique. My best friend, Teresa Stout, watches the videos.
Okay, so have you seen the videos?
I have now. Probably 20 years. It was longer, cut it, longer, cut it. But I usually wear it up because I live in Arizona and it's always hot. She's the one that called me and said, check out the Makeover guy on YouTube. I said, who? And then I saw him and I go, wow, he's amazing.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how willing are you to let us do whatever?
10. It feels really good off my neck, off my shoulders.
Have you ever had your hair this short before?
I think one time in the 6th grade.
Were you traumatized?
No, my dad was though. You guys just made us feel special from the time we walked in until the time we left. And I don't want to leave. I'm having a good time. I sing. Oh, I used to play that. I don't remember it though. Da 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 da. I used to play that. I'm high on life. Ow. If I can't get it in my hole.